Welcome to a quick overview of two incredibly powerful AI features, Front Topics and Front Copilot. First up, Topics. For any business, knowing why your customers are reaching out is critical. Front's Topics feature automatically analyzes your conversations and organizes the reasons your customers contact you into, you guessed it, topics. Admins can enable topics per workspace within workspace settings under the Front AI section. Under the Topics and Copilot section, you'll see a drop-down that says Make Available in Inboxes. Select the shared inboxes where you'd like Front to start generating topics. Once you hit Save, Front will start analyzing your conversation history and generate your topics. Please note that it may take an hour or two to identify topics from your conversations, especially if you have a lot of historical data. Once topics are identified, you can find them in the dedicated topics section of your admin settings. Here, you'll see a list of all your topics and the number of conversations labeled with each one. You can click on any topic to see the conversations associated with it, which is great for digging into specific issues. So why is this so valuable? Imagine you're a customer support manager. With topics, you can see at a glance which topics account for the highest volume of conversations that your team is managing. This insight is invaluable. You can then use this data to create automated rules to handle these conversations faster, like automatically assigning all password reset conversations to the dedicated team member who handles those requests. Or you can use this information to build out your knowledge base with new articles to deflect these types of inquiries entirely, freeing up your team to focus on more complex issues. Now, let's talk about Front Copilot. Copilot is an AI assistant that works alongside your team to help them draft replies faster. It learns from your past conversations and knowledge sources to provide relevant, context-aware suggestions. To set up Copilot, you'll be in the same Front AI settings menu. Ensure you've selected the appropriate inboxes in the drop-down and toggle on Suggested Replies. Copilot can be powered by several knowledge sources. First, similar conversations. This is the default. Front will look at similar past conversations in your selected inboxes to understand how your team has responded before and use that to craft a new reply. Next, you can connect your Front knowledge base to add your Help Center articles as a source. And lastly, you can connect external sources such as URLs, either an entire domain or specific pages, for Copilot to draw on. Please note that Copilot currently works best with external-facing knowledge bases. Let's see Copilot in action. A customer writes in with a question about your refund policy. Copilot will analyze the customer's request, find the most relevant information in your conversation history or connected sources, and draft a response for your agent right in the composer. The agent can then review the draft, make any necessary tweaks to personalize it, and send it off in seconds. This not only saves your team time, but also ensures that responses are consistent and accurate, leading to a better customer experience.